Yeah, once that sun comes up, it's a little brisk, a little chilly in the morning before the sun pops up. But once that ball pops up, it starts to warm up quickly. Right now it's probably the best temperature of the day. Hearing it when the sun starts to go down, it's very nice. Boy, they're having a feast. It's the first horse I've seen on this beach. Buenos dias. Hey, buddy. How you doing? ¿Dónde va?
A trabajar. A trabajar.
A trabajar. Oh, ¿en Agua Blanca?
Sí.
Ah, muy bien. Este es usted coche. Muy bien.
Dale.
¿Cómo se llama?
Hoyo.
Hoyo.
Ajá.
Hey, Hoyo. How you doing? Good to see you. Very nice. Bonita. Gracias. Adios. He said he was going to work in Agua Blanca, and I said, oh, this is your car. See, these are the white birds, like the one that got injured. The big birds are the pelicans. I love how they ride right on the waves. I tell you, man, it's like being a kid in a candy shop watching this stuff. It's very enjoyable. Being out in the morning with the sun rising. All these animals are out getting their breakfast, and pretty soon this animal, me, I'll get mine when I go back. Oh, he's gonna go down. There he goes. Oh. Changed his mind. Oh, they're going. Oh. He's going now. Boom. When I was out swimming, they were skimming across the waves right in front of you like dozens of little sardines. And I just asked them, and he said they're fishing for sardines. And that's how quick it is. I don't think he's happy with his catch. And he comes up and he swallows it. Yep, see? That's the little white bird that injured itself diving in. Oh, you should see how he swallowed the fish when he went bananas there. He's going to come where the birds were going. I don't know if he's too late. Well, I see fish jumping in his bag. We're just going to watch out for those rocks. That's what they call a bird's eye view. is a popular spot. Cameras got pulled in. Oh, much full. Much more full. Much fuller. Maybe the birds are hoping he drops something. Got the whole Air Force now. How quickly word spreads. Awesome. So, puede tirar uno, dos, tres veces. Sí, en no pescado esperando en ahí. Yeah. Cuando tirar uno vez en tiene pescado or sardina?
No, casi no.
No. Okay, and then otra vez and tres and cuatro. Okay. Cuando ha visto pelican tirar ahí?
Se ve, allá andan caminando.
Have a good day. Muchas gracias. Bye-bye. Oh, the little guy. Sardines are running. I have tried to sneak up on these animals before, and it's not so easy. I've done it a couple times. They usually do not like you getting too close. See how they're breaking formation. Pelican just dived. Or dove. Oh, he went for one of those crabs, those translucent crabs that run around on the beach. I'll see if I can get a picture of them. They're kind of creepy. They look like they have no skeletal system because it's clear. They look like ghosts. Well, this one's a little small, but you probably can see it. I'll find a bigger one. You can see how big some of the holes are. See the size of that hole versus the size of that hole? And this guy just went in his hole here. Oh, he's coming out. He's in that hole. So you see how small he is. Right there, see? There's a big one right there. Look at them. See him? So he's trying to hide. Oh, there's his hole. See how big that hole is. There's another big one right here. Just want a close-up, buddy. Oh, that's the worst place you could go. That's the worst place you could. He's gone. Nice knowing you. He's fish food now. Yeah, see. No way those things, they go along for the ride. But that's what those white birds were eating in the sand. This is one of the bigger ones. There have been a couple bigger than him. Oh, down into his hole. But the big ones are big because they've learned how to survive. And first vibration they feel, they're typically on moving, you know. So I see them for a fraction of a second, but just not long enough to get the camera on them. Here comes the Air Force.